Hey guys, it's been ages since I've done any repair just because the winter and all, but I was hoping that it's already April, but as you can see, it's not as promising. My daily driver, and then of course my toy car. So my new problem, I was driving just a few days ago, and some guy said, "Hey, dude, your brake lights is busted or isn't working." So what I did was I ran out and I bought these, right? They're not ideal, but you know, they'll serve a purpose. So all you have to do is, of course, get back here, unlock this, and then slowly take it apart. And if you need to, you may need to just get underneath to pull it out, okay? So the one that I'm interested in is actually this one right there. So here's the deal. It's always recommended never to touch with your actual hand to the lights, because it actually the oil actually deteriorates the light. So always wear gloves, right? All you do is you just twist, push down, twist, and voila, you take it right out. The other thing to consider is that they actually sell light grease to put on here, right? And what that does is it gives a good contact, so that way if there's water or if there's any kind of liquid, your light will still work without shorting out. Okay, so take another one, you put it back in, and voila. And then you reverse, you put it back in place. So that also works with your regular tail light as well. And then of course, whenever you want to replace any other lights, that's that. And you just put it back in. So the thought is that, I've done some strange fixes. I've done a lot of other stuff. This is just the basic stuff, so that way you can learn, if you're not comfortable with fixing cars, at least you can do this, and this will be a start of knowing a little bit more about your car. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.